Conquer the outdoors with a modern look when you rock the On Cloudrock Waterproof 2 hiking boots. You'll absolutely adore this beautiful upper that gives you a nice textile and synthetic combination, giving you a ton of breathability with some overlays that give you some extra protection and a very modern appearance. You'll love the slight color contrast and adore the fact that you'll have this classic lace-up closure that adds a nice secure fit. There is a pull tab at the back that'll allow you to easily slip into or out of this tall shaft, and you'll adore the fact that you'll get lots of padding all along that collar and tongue. There is a beautiful FlexLock system on these laces that give you a nice traditional or single pull design, giving you some extra security. Inside, you'll find a super soft lining that'll give you a very breathable feel with an insole that adds a generous amount of cushioning. There is also some Ultralight Zero-Gravity Cloud advanced-abrasion pads inside to give you some extra superior grip and a longer lasting fit. You'll find that the Missiongrip traction outsole will give you lots of lugs with a unique pattern, giving you a lot of security and some slip resistance even on smoother surfaces.